Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix driver power state failure in Windows 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy text form description and paste it. Type net space start space MSIServer. Type exit form command prompt. Type advanced system settings in Windows search bar. Click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Automatically Restart. Select Small Memory Dump. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.